Rain slicked the city's rooftops as Milo crouched behind a chimney, clutching a small, battered envelope. The skyline glowed with neon lights, and thunder rumbled low in the distance. He waited for the signal, 3 sharp flashes from a distant window. There it was. Without hesitation, he dashed forward, boots slipping on the wet tiles, arms pumping hard to keep balance. Below, police sirens wailed, and searchlights swept the narrow alleys like hungry eyes. Milo vaulted over a narrow gap between buildings, landing hard and rolling to absorb the shock. He paused, heart hammering, and checked the envelope, still safe in his grasp. A guard's shout echoed from below, sharp and urgent. He flattened himself against a cold brick wall, breath held tight, and heavy footsteps clattered up a nearby fire escape. Timing was everything. Milo scanned the rooftops, spotted a laundry line stretched taut between buildings, and sprinted toward it. He seized the line, swinging across the yawning street below with a rush of wind and adrenaline. He landed hard, knees buckling, but forced himself upright. The final window was just ahead. He rapped softly. A hand emerged, quickly taking the envelope. Mission complete. Milo slipped silently into the shadows, unseen and unstoppable beneath the stormy sky.